So, to continue on, yung po si Blessed Carlo had that in their family, yung pagiging vampire. So, hindi po clear sa akin sa vision ko kung I think naka-experience siya with those rituals of eating and drinking blood of a human being until I think ayun ang message pala sa akin, until he received Jesus in the first Holy Communion at the age of 7, no? So hindi clear sa akin, pero it seems that he was able to have a taste of it. Na I do not know how he had known me, but it was shown in my vision that he was interested in me, no? First as a food, no, as a food nga, until he found out that I don't have like that, no, na rituals and those things, na nakakatawa nga na tinitingnan niya yung cup ko, kung ano yung nasa loob, what I drink, what I eat. So I could even see in the vision that he was even asking his mom na how come daw ako tao na, because nakamulatan niyang ganun, di ba? So he thought as a child that everyone is, right? Na ganun, parang normal yung cannibalism, no, na eating human flesh. Anyway, pinapakita po sa akin na I was able to view already the little lang yung account ng mother about her conversion, not in details, no, because of the holiness of Blessed Carlo and his devotion to Jesus through the sacrament. She was converted by the child, no? Sabi nga ni Mrs. Antonia Acutis na supposed to be it's the family, no, yung mga elders, the ancestors who should pass on the faith to her, but not the child to the parents. But that's what happened. It was Blessed Carlo who was able to touch his own mother to convert, no, to the Catholic faith. So ang pagkakaalam ko po, after naman na convert yung mother, nag-stop po yung mga rituals na ganon. So I would trust at this time that she is already healed from being one. Siyempre hindi po yan dyan nilalagay in details, and I hope I am making a good account here, na hindi naman po ako madelikado, pero yung po yung pressing visions that I was able to see. I am even having so much hesitation yesterday to make the recording, pero the rule is to say everything, no? May mga nakakalimutan nga po ako, pero kasi ang purpose ng documentation natin dito is really to state all the facts and, you know, entrust everything to the Lord God, and for the purpose of the viewing public to, you know, to really know, to be informed and to make your own judgment, no, na ang nakikita ko kasi dito